All right, so I'm in my Tesla Model Y, and one of the recent updates is being able to run a battery health test. Before, you'd have to go into service mode to be able to do that, but now you can easily do that by going into your car settings and then scrolling down to services, and then scrolling down to battery health. So this is new, right? And then here it just tells me that my battery energy retention is within the expected range based on its age and mileage. But you don't really know any more details other than that. So it tells you here you can optionally run the battery health test to compare your battery's energy retention to when it was new. So to be able to do that, you can click on this button, but there's a few things to keep note. I mean, obviously, there's this big yellow box here, and things you need to keep in mind is obviously you need to have the vehicle in park. Battery level should be 20% or less, which I do have exactly 20. So vehicle is connected to the internet. It is. I'm at my house. No software updates are scheduled. Yeah, it's fully up to date for the time being. No battery or thermal alerts are active. I don't think so. I haven't seen any of that. Vehicle is connected to an AC charging station. I'm going to do that in a bit. AC charging equipment can provide at least 5 kilowatts of power. Well, we'll see. So let me plug that in. Okay, it's good. Now we should be able to click on start test. And yeah, since it's at 20%, it actually still needs to drain the battery until it's basically empty. And once it's empty, you're gonna charge it back up, I guess, to 100. And depending on how much energy it put into the battery, then that's the actual capacity now. So 17 hours, and that's totally dependent on how fast your charger is. I do have a level 2, but not all level 2s are the same. So it might take longer or quicker. We just don't know. And yeah, so there's nothing else to do until, I guess, tomorrow. Maybe in the afternoon. I don't know. We'll see. All right, that's it for now. See you later. Oh, right. So I finally finished, and it took a long time. I started at midnight, and now it's at 7:12. Well, I think it ended at 7. I wasn't paying attention. But anyways, it said that it was going to take 17 hours, but it took 19 hours. I guess my charger is slower. But anyways, finally finished, and it says 91%. That sounds okay to me. Mine is a 2021 with 60,626 kilometers. It's a Model Y, obviously, dual motor. So yeah, I think this is good. I'm quite happy about this. I wasn't really expecting somewhere in the 90s, but yeah. One thing to keep in mind after you do the test is that your regen braking is going to be minimal, and that's obviously because your battery is fully charged or close to fully charged, and the energy has nowhere to go, right? So yeah, just be mindful of that after running the test. Anyways, that's it. Thanks. Bye.